What's up guys, it's Jeremy Blanton with RE/MAX Southern Shores, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where this week we're going to talk about 3 common mistakes people make when pricing their home for sale. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get talking about these 3 different pricing strategies that I find that do not work. We're going to put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So the first thing that I see as a big problem when people are trying to price their home for sale is that they want to give themselves too much cushion. I get that you need to have a little bit of space for negotiations, and so you list your home in what I call the fantasy land range, which is way too high. What the problem may be is you may get activity on your house if it just hits the market due to people really interested in that type of property and there being a limited inventory of them. But ultimately, at the end of the day, if they need to do any type of financing, you're going to run into a major problem. The second thing that I see happening way too many times is people who are looking at properties and think that they've done a ton of upgrades. You are confusing sometimes upgrades and maintenance on a house. Placing a brand new roof on your house is not an upgrade. Making sure that you have a dishwasher that works and a heating and cooling system that works is not an upgrade. Those things are considered maintenance. They need to be working. Anybody who's buying that house expects those things to be working properly, be free of leaks, and doing their job properly. The third thing that I see when it comes to pricing homes as a mistake is people take the Walmart mentality, I call it. What that means is that when we're pricing our home for sale, we're going to come up with a cutesy number or a cutesy saying. Whether it's we're going to end in 521 or we're going to end in 900. When we're listing a house for 150, we're going to do 149.9 just to make it look more appealing. You have to understand, consumers nowadays are visiting online places, they're searching for properties, and they're searching in ranges. It may be 125 to 150 or 150 to 175. If you list your home at 149.9 or even 149.999, you're going to collect all those people who are searching for homes in that 125 to 150 range. But you're going to miss that entire market of people that might be looking at your house if you went at 150. Everyone who's looking in that 150 to 175 range, it'll never show up in their searches. So there you have it guys, 3 common pricing mistakes that I run into on a regular basis when people are listing their homes for sale. Hope you found some value in this week's video. If so, make sure you smash the like button and share with your friends. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.